What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today is a very busy day. We got all the homies in the car with us. Angel, what are we doing in your car today?
Dropping the pan.
Dropping the pan on his S13.
Again.
It's very clean. S13 with a nice SR swap. We got the little worker here that's gonna help us today. Is that right, Kendrick?
Hey.
Say what's up to the channel.
What's up?
All right. Hey, look who that is. Go Superman. Ooh. So this is what we're working on today. Angel, give us a rundown on the car. What's done to it? What's the plan?
Forged Bottom mainly H-beam rods, Jim Wolf S3 cams, 268s, 268s.
Wait, you have all this done to it?
Yeah.
I thought this was stock. I'm not. No, I swear to God, I thought this was like just a really nice.
It was stock, and then it had a rod knock.
I didn't know you did all this.
OEM crank off the shelf from a B13 Sentra. Tomei head gasket. I don't know what else is in there. OEM suppression.
Nice. What are the plans now?
I want to hit 300 to 350 maybe. If that turbo doesn't do it, then try to upgrade.
Nice. This thing's clean, man. Vertex wheel, uncracked dash, authentic bride seat. This is nice. Hi, can I help you?
I'd like some air in my car.
Oh God. Wham. Shut up. As you guys know, I finally started driving my car. Got this thing on the road. Still got a few things to do. I gotta finish mocking up the corner lights because these are fiberglass fenders. I have to shave a little bit of the tab there to get it to fit in properly. But I did just get the new corner lights, side markers. Still got a couple small things to do here and there. But I'm just happy I got this thing on the road. Most of the interior is put back together. Oh, my car's locked. I don't have a key. It's all good. Got the 4-door. Got Anthony's really cool Vert Mustang on RPF ones that's lowered. If you guys want to check him out on Instagram, he's a really good photographer. What up? So as you can see, most of the driver's side's still put together, but we basically just have to finish some of the wiring in here to get everything tucked back under the dash and get most of the gauges functioning again. But car runs and drives, so. And then big shout out to Kanzi. Hey, how do you guys say it? Kanzi or Kanzi? Kanzi, right? Sounds about right. Big shout out to these guys for these gorgeous wheels. Look great, lightweight, good prices. Today we are doing an oil pan gasket. Good old SR. You said your brother did the valve cover, right?
You do everything.
Nice.
Brake pipes, valve cover, turbo, blowout valve, each shield.
I love that, man. The stock fan shroud with like the GK Tech catch can looks so good. Oh, and the mushroom filter. I like it. And this is all authentic Type X?
Mm-hmm. Cut the lid.
Yeah. Show you guys some progress on Ben's SR. Got most of it all actually done. For the most part, this motor's ready to go in. Just need to put the harness on and injectors, and this thing's gonna rip. It's gonna be really cool. Motor. Oh, excuse me, I keep burping. Ben, I like this new cap, except you have everything ready, not HKS. the lower portion of, well, the upper portion of the pan that mates to the oil pan itself is leaking from the seal. And it's getting everything very oily.
You guys going bad?
Hey, what do you think caused this? Just over time, the seal going bad?
No, I think when I first did, well, I had 3 strip bolts, so I think when gravity kind of pulled it down, it
That
lowered
makes
all
sense.
those.
Oh, besides that though, it's clean under here, man. This car is clean.
It's just leaking oil everywhere.
Yeah, I see that. What are your thoughts, man? What's going on here?
Dirty?
Dirty? Yeah, I agree.
It was little dry stuff going everywhere. This was not like this before. This is heated. It didn't melt.
Dude, these are also loose as shit, bro. Look at this. It does explain why it's smoking so bad. Mike, can you grab that back chair right there?
The car doesn't burn oil.
Yeah, you can see on this, whatever that smoke is just from you. Alright, so I take it you guys got the pan off? Cool. Was it a pain in the ass? Hey, well at least this will hopefully be the last time. So that's good. Cleaning it up. I finally got my corner lights on, lined up. Headlight gap's gone. Getting there. Now I just gotta shave the inside of that. Fortunately, for some reason, I don't know why, but the origin fenders had this big portion of fiberglass that was sticking out, unlike the stock fenders, which are open here for the corner light to slide in. So unfortunately, I had to shave that out a lot, but as you can see, it's actually pretty damn good. And then the homie Alex just pulled up in his S13. Again, shout out to Kanzai Wheels. Look at this dude. Look at these guys going for joyrides in a Tesla.
Are you recording me?
Yeah. I love it when you call me señorita. Hey, shut up, beard man. I can see you too. Alright, so after quite some time, even though we got it done, Angel's car is A-OK. no leaks, everything's good. I got my car running, got my corner lights in. Yeah, so far so good. So just make sure to check out the channel, like and subscribe. What do you say, Kendrick? Oh yeah. And definitely leave some comments on what you guys want to see next. We got, like I said, a lot of content in here we can set up for you guys. And yeah.